everyone, it's me, the letter C, and I make two sounds, a hard sound and a soft sound. One like castle, one like cereal. But how do you know which one to use? Well, my sound depends on a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. I'll show you what I mean. Hard C is in the country for raising cows and growing corn. So, whenever C comes before an A, O, or U, it makes its hard k sound. Now, soft C is used in the city with cement sidewalks. It's like a circus. So when C ever comes before an E, I, or Y, it makes its S sound. S. And now you know about the two sounds of C and when to use them. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.